My king.
I hope you carried out the mission.
Yes, my king. She must have been with her ancestors by now, my king.
Good job. Now you may go.
You! For the pains you cost me, you shall pay with your blood.
Your Highness! My king! Your Highness! My...
Where are you, father? Where are you, mother? Where are you? Come out! Calm down. Where is your king? Where is that murderer?
Calm down, Prince. The Iroko has fallen.
What?
It is indeed a very great tragedy that has befallen us. And we must all take heart.
Yes.
Igwe was a very good man. However, the gods know the best. Especially why he has to take part in such a mischievous manner.
Indeed. We shall get the answers when we consult the gods. Jidofo, as you can see now, the staff of kinship falls in your hands. But your actions of late, by associating with that outcast, is a blow to our tradition and a sign of incompetence. From an heir to the highly prized throne of Amozra. We forgive you because of your father's many legacies, which is supposed to be honored by his last wish, which is seeing you succeeding when you join the ancestors. Now, we want to categorically tell you that the corpse of that outcast can never be buried here. And no inhabitant of this great kingdom will participate in her burial. She belongs to the evil forest, and that is where she must be buried. Have I spoken your minds, elders?
Oh yes, that's the custom.
But no, you have spoken really well.
So that is it. That the corpse of that outcast can never be buried here. And no inhabitant of this great kingdom will participate in her burial. She belongs to the evil forest, and only there can she be buried and forgotten.
I understand how you feel over the death of the two most important people in your life. My prince, you have to take heart and be strong. Remember who you are. The future king of Amozala. Be courageous and rise, my prince. The elders are waiting.
We all know what you are passing through, our prince. Nevertheless, don't forget what you represent. Herald of the future. A king is not identified with weakness. I want you to be strong. Now that the mourning period of your father is gone, I want you to get prepared for the throne, which includes passing through the crowning rituals and getting a wife to be crowned as queen with you. As we all know that tradition cannot permit you or confirm you worry for the tax unless you put yourself in a family well. So you have to.
I thank you all, my elders, for your concern on the matters regarding the throne and Amozala. And I want to tell you that I am very willing to pass the crowning rituals. Except for one thing, that I may not get married again. For I already considered myself once married to the woman I loved so much.
We may not understand you, but as far as we are concerned, you have been a single man all your life.
Yes.
Therefore, if a hen begins to crow like the cock, abomination is rife. So what exactly are you talking about?
You may not understand. Truly, you may not understand. Neither is it necessary to explain to you.
Jidofo, in that case, you must get married.
Yes.
And soon for that matter. Unless you want to lose your place on the throne. Yes.
Well, I have heard you. I will take my leave now.
No, Ichie Mukorobia. Emeche webulu, Papa Neke. Ichie Mukorobia. Emeche kwenu webulu, Papa Neke.
Oh, where? Hey!
My prince, how can you think of losing the throne because of the oath you took with a dead woman? It's unthinkable. The spirit of your late father will never forgive you.
Dikeh,
My prince.
you do not understand. You do not understand the bond Mama and I shared. It is an immortal love. I cannot love another. Not again.
My prince, I understand, but you must have to handle this with great wisdom. You can get them a wife. Yes. Any woman at all to walk down the royalty with. But deep in your heart, she never exists. Just a game. Only you and I know. It's just a game.
Dikeh,
You can even marry that Aboma, that pest. Yes.
Dikeh,
My prince.
your wisdom is attractive. Believe me, you are not too young to be among my cabinets.
Thank you, my prince.
Let's go. At least you were able to put a smile on my face. I don't know what to say. I'm shut of words.
Something about destiny, something about you and me.
Greetings, my prince. I wasn't expecting you.
Let's say it's a surprise visit.
So what do I owe this honor?
To your heart desires that you so craved for.
I don't understand.
Let me make it simple. just like I have come in my simplicity and alone. Will you marry me?
Yes, yes, my prince. I'm sorry.
Our prince, have you finally agreed on the terms regarding the crown rituals and getting a wife for yourself?
Yes.
This is a good sign.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Something about you and me that makes me wanna cry. Something about loving you that takes me to the sky. Something about you and me is written across the sky. Something about loving you is engraved in the sands of time, so the children can read your history and the elders can tell your bravery. Oh, no, no. Through the night, the day will come. After rain, the sun must shine. Something about you and me that brings the dead to life. There is something about you and me that lives.
Stop, I did some rest.
How? I mean, why are you doing this? This is the 8 days since you got married to me and you've refused to make me feel like a woman.
What? Huh? You asked for marriage and I gave it to you. What do you want?
Sex feelings, my husband.
Feelings?
Yes.
Like I said, it never existed. I want sleep. And now,
I will be fine alone. Stay back.
Yes, Your Highness. Okay.
I'll be I'm never gonna let you go, no matter what the circumstance. This I swear, my love. Cause I'm never gonna imagine what my life would be without you right by my side, by my side. You complete me in a special way. It's why I love you, baby. Oh yeah. Love me, love me. Even I know my love, oh my love, love me, love me. Love me, oh my love, oh my love. Oh yeah. When the sun goes down and the moon comes up, when you cry, I'll be there. You can run to me, I will rescue you. Oh babe, swear I won't run.
Uzaji! What is watching you? Did you see a ghost?
No. What I saw is more than a ghost. In a matter of fact, I'm hurrying to come and see you.
To see me? And what did you see?
I saw the king sitting on late Nwama's grave, crying heavily.
You mean the king seated on that outcast grave?
You
there? Abomination. Aru. Let's go and see.
Aru.
Hey.
Aru.
When the sun goes down and the moon comes up, when you cry, I'll be there. You can run to me, I will rescue you. Oh babe, swear I won't run. Oh love. I love you, I love you, I love you. Love me, love me.
Don't tell me that what you just said is true. That the highly ordained king of Amazora has got so low to the level of crying on the grave of an outcast.
A bitter truth. We must do something.
But the question is, what do we do?
Oh.
Where have you been?
Perhaps not something for you to comprehend.
What is happening? What is happening? Ever since you married me, you barely have time for me. What is wrong with my husband? You are my husband. don't even make me feel like a woman.
Aboma, we have been through this over and over again. Don't you get tired? Well, if you're not, I am.
It's your love, it's your love, Erika. If I did more, man, I'm getting no Erika. A queja catano, Dikeh, I just know. If I didn't know Erika.
My daughter, it's okay. I understand how you feel. Because I am also a woman. I will talk to him, okay?
Please, better do. Because I'm fed up with his excesses.
Calm down. Cheer up, okay? Remember, I am his mother. He will listen to me when I talk to him. Akugum. Elebelezal. Omaleta. Don't worry. It's good. My son, just talk to your mother. Tell me, what is the problem? Why are you torturing her this way? No woman would be happy if her husband refuses to give her attention. Worst of all, if he refuses to share their matrimonial bed with her. Just promise me that you will make it up to her today. Please.
I can't, Mother. I am not in the mood. Besides, I do not have such feelings for her.
But she is your wife.
That's what you people asked of me. A wife? And I got you one. Please don't ask for more, because I can't give. I do not wish to waste my energy on this matter, for I have more important things to attend to.
It's your love, Erika. If I did more, man, I'm getting no Erika. A queja catano, Dikeh, I just know. If I didn't know Erika. If I may be gone,
it's your lover, secure.
I have missed you so much, my love.
Same here, my jewel. How the wicked heart of men part.
We are not apart. We are not apart. We will always be together forever. Remember, there is an oath.
How is that when I can't feel you? I can see you when I wish. How is it so when your sonorous voice is gone away from me? We are now word apart.
We are not apart. We share an unbreakable bond, and nothing, not even death, can come between us.
I don't understand.
The wisdom of the spirits and the gods are hidden from mortals until there's a need. Like I said, we shall be together very soon. Farewell for now.
Mama.
It's your love, Erika.
Aboma, you mean you saw him speaking to himself last night?
Yes, my fathers. I saw him.
This is all strange. I mean, just a few days ago, we saw him crying by one man's grave.
I think the death of that cursed one is eating him up emotionally, possibly mentally. And indeed, If we do nothing, he will run mad.
Yes.
The question is, what do we do to salvage the situation?
Your Majesty, we are very concerned over your well-being as our king. Yes. Therefore, we are troubled about this new development. I mean, we are gradually losing you, considering this your mind-blowing attitude of late. You see, your character these days is psychologically abnormal. Spending most of your times at that cost gets grave.
Enough, Ono! Enough! How dare you call her cursed? When you and my late father can rightly be referred to as the cause of her misfortune. How dare you curse an innocent girl even in death? You know what?
You old fools here are the one mentally challenged.
And I do not wish to have a sitting with such gathering.
I will retire to my chamber now.
And from now henceforth, should anyone curse the late Wama, I am still the king. He or she will face the grave consequences. I have spoken, and so shall it be.
Hey! Oh no. I have seen a rabbit in the daytime.
My love, eat and show me that our love is still unbreakable, like our last moment together.
I can never forget how this meal brought so much satisfaction and joy to my broken heart. I can never forget your generosity and your kindness towards an orphan. But you must realize that our worlds are apart. Much as I want to partake of that food, I cannot taste it. I can't even feel the softness of your palms. But don't worry. We shall be together very soon.
My love, how is that possible?
Nothing is impossible with destiny. Just believe. I miss you so much.
My love, I miss you.
Something by you and me is right.
I'm sorry for making you shed all these tears. As you can see, there is no love from me to you. All you will ever get is emptiness and heartbreak. Please, I beg you to leave me and find yourself someone deserving. Someone who will wipe these tears. I wish I can do all that, but sorry. I I am in love with someone even the gods can't stop me from loving. I married you out of pity for your passion towards me. Out of the same pity, I beg you, please, leave so you'll be happy.
It's about her, right? You can't even let her go, even after death. I've heard what you said. Perhaps no one can ever be more right. I will go. Thank you. Thank you for breaking my heart. Thank you for setting me free. Thank you for making me live with this pain. I will leave you. And I hope you'll be happy. Thank you.
Ugeben, what is the problem?
Since you visited, you've not said a word. And you visited with all your belongings. I am your mother. Talk to me. What is it?
The king has finally sent me packing. He said he does not love me. What have I done to the gods? Fate has really played a fast game on me.
It's okay, my daughter. Don't blame the gods, for they have purpose for each mishap. Own them.
The sun goes down and the moon comes up. I'll be there for you. When you reach for me, I will come for you. My love, please don't cry. I'm never gonna let you go, no matter what the circumstance. This I swear, my love. 'Cause I'm never gonna imagine what my life would be without you right by my side. By my side. You complete me in a special way.
This is more than we can take. Your Highness, isn't it obvious that you are breaking down mentally? Please, give us a chance to help.
Just yesterday, you sent the queen, your wife, away for the same reason.
Enough, elders! I have told you severally, I am okay. If you think otherwise, fall in love, lose your soulmate, and see how it hurts! Let me be.
My fellow elders, it is obvious that things have gotten out of hand.
My elders, we cannot fold our hands and watch things go wrong. You are both correct. We cannot be ruled by a king who is mentally derailed. A madman.
Good man. It's okay, then. He said we must have to watch our tongue while talking about it. I think I have an idea.
Mwalika, beauty of the gods. You haven't said anything to me since your incantation.
I'm sorry, my child. He is in an unbreakable bond.
He's tied to an immortal love that neither mortal or death can separate. My daughter, don't come in between them or else you will die. Ovuku has spoken. My daughter, stop crying. This cry can only do you more harm than good. If only you had listened to me and married one of those suitors that were asking for your hand in marriage in the past, and forget the prince, it wouldn't have been like this. You should understand that all that glitters is not gold. Now look at what you've got in return. Being sent packing from your matrimonial home in such a humiliating manner. Now tell me, which man will agree to marry you now as a second-hand wife?
Mama, please. Please, I beg you in the name of the gods. Stop reminding me of my misfortune, please.
My daughter, I don't mean to hurt you, but I am your mother. I can only tell you the truth. However, take heart. Forget the prince so you can live again. Become one own.
Mama! Mama!
They can reject you, but I'm your mother. I will not. You're always welcome.
Imakwana nwanne ma mara na nwanne wee die. Obialu ma biabule moje kokwe na mpumpu akwakwala ya o. Mana obia kwa biabuo m. Ojo konna mpumpu. Aponya. Onu kube onu. Onu kube onu. Onu kube nwannem. Kali monye buchi bebe. Onu wa o.
Acts which you all seek is beyond your mortal comprehension. However, I have a solution to your problems.
Oh no, what's so good? Oh, where is it? What is it?
The journey is too far.
No, you have to be strong.
I am tired.
Sorry.
I can't go farther.
It's for the sake of our community. It's for the sake of our kingdom. Let's go. Yeah? Please.
Like our Onowu has rightly said, we are here to ask for the hand of your daughter Ola in marriage on behalf of our king. So we are patiently waiting for your response.
That's why we're here.
Ndichie. What else can I say? Huh? That the gods have favored my household. I'm so excited.
I take that as a yes.
Just get what I leave. Move about that.
What to drink and what to eat. Good.
My love, leave vengeance for the gods. It is not his fault. They were only victims of true love, just like you and I. Even in death, the memories of our love is still alive. Unbreakable love, just like theirs with so much sacrifice. Please be calm and do not forget our past.
Brother, leave this Machi alone. She's going to put you into trouble.
Leave who alone? Machinkem. I should leave the love of my life alone. Magagene, see, let me tell you. I'm just telling you this because you're my sister. And that's now why I'm a Ibia. I'm telling you how I'm going to talk to her. Just listen. Negamonte. I'm going to tell her, Machi, you are the love of my life. You are the only person that has won my heart. In fact, Machi, I love you more than my mother. How do you see it?
Brother, even your own mother. How can you say such a thing?
I love that. You don't know what I'm saying. If you don't know, Bia, Chinedu.
Hi. So you are looking for another victim. You are looking for another woman to get pregnant. Yeah. Now listen. I heard you were saying you will tell her you love her more than your mother. Remember, this your same mother, my wife, carried you in her womb for 9 months. And because of your stubbornness, you refused to come out. She had to carry you for extra 2 months. That means you spent 11 months in her womb. Until you came out. She began to nurture you. Pipigagi. She pipied you. Until you grew up to become a full-grown idiot. Chinedu, I am a noble man in this village. I don't want you to bring shame to this family. I don't want you to bring shame to this family. In fact, you are not even a full-grown idiot. You are a full-grown monkey. When you grow older, you will now become a full-grown chimpanzee.
Papa, stop calling me all those names. You think I don't know? When you were toasting my mother, didn't you tell her you love her papa more than your mother?
Oh. Were you there?
I wasn't there, but people were saying that you were following Mama as a semi-he-goat before you got married to her. Huh?
Yeah. A semi-he-goat. You are calling your father Nkpi.
Semi.
You are calling your father Nkpi.
Papa, in fact, whatever I'm doing, I inherited it from you. Like father, like son.
You are a full-grown monkey.
Oh, and you are a father of a full-grown father of a full-grown baboon. I'm out of here.
That's why I cry every day. There, I'm talking to you and you're walking there. Come here, Chinedu. You see your brother. You see your brother. Listen, tell him not to bring shame to this family. Tell your brother not to bring shame to this family.
Papa, I've talked to him. I don't know what to say again.
Anyway, no problem. Go and arrange my food. I am just coming from the farm.
Okay, Papa.
I love you more than my mother. If I must finish this with him. I must finish it.
What sort of play is this? I have told you to stop bothering me. Why can't you just leave me alone?
I love you. You are the only girl that has won my heart. I love you more than my mother.
Chinedu, and I have told you that I am in love with someone else. Get that into your head.
Machi, calm down. Calm down. Biko, afwanam genanya. Wetu obi.
Chinedu, rapomaka. Rapomaka. I will not repeat myself again.
Machi. Imagine how this girl insulted and embarrassed me, even after the slap I received from my father and all the sacrifice. This girl is too stubborn. Something must be done. Something must be done.
As you can see, starting from that plantain, that place, yes, with that palm fruit, so I want you to do a good job for me, so that in due time I will have a big corn. Yes.
Nanyo Kafo, you don't have a problem. If you're in doubt, you can ask questions from those that I have worked for. They can attest to my credibility.
I know. That is the reason I employed you.
Thank you, Nani. Thank you so much.
Good work.
Good product.
All right. My God.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Hey, where do I start?
Machi, Archie.
You scared me.
I'm sorry. What are you doing here? I was told by Mazi Okafor that you're clearing his farmland. Honestly, I must tell you I'm no longer comfortable with this. It is too tedious for you.
What do you expect from a poor orphan like me? If I don't do this, how do I survive?
You have me. Let me bear this suffering alone. See, I can't risk you for anything. Not for this tedious farm clearing. You call job or what?
You have been of immense help to me. You have done more than enough. It will be selfish of me if I ask for more. Since I lost my parents in the cold arms of death, you have been of immense help to me. You have single-handedly helped me through every step. Allow me contribute to our welfare, please. Please, let me do my part, please.
If you insist. Your wish is my command.
And you're the best man that I have ever met.
You too. May God be with you.
And you too.
I will see you as soon as I finish.
And I know the gods will make you catch big fish in the was.
You say, take my leave.
Do take care of you.
And you too.
Be safe.
All right.
Following me around. How did you know I was here?
The heart of a desperate man is unpredictable. What it seeks, it must definitely find. I'm here to know the answer of my proposal.
I have told you, and I will keep telling you, I am not interested in your proposal. The only man that I'm interested in is Atama. That's the only person I love. You should get that into your head.
I knew it. I knew it. So you've been turning me down because of that feeble he-goat.
Don't you ever insult that man, because he is 100 times better than the man that you are. Yes!
You insult me.
And I will insult you again.
Thank the gods that you know who I am. I am Chinedu, the most deadliest amongst the youth of Omagu Kingdom.
I hear you.
I am here to collect my share. Now!
Adanaya.
Papa.
I totally enjoy this food. You cook just like your mother.
Thank you, Papa. Remember, I promise I'll always take care of you.
I know, and you're doing it. You are taking care of me.
Thank you, Papa. I pray the gods should take care of him.
They will. The gods never let us down. The gods never let us down. My daughter.
Thank you, Papa.
I still have some firewood in the bush. Where is your brother? I think he has to go and bring it.
I think he's inside.
Hey, yo.
What is that your name again?
Ulaku.
Maze Ekweme's daughter. Why are you running as if you are being pursued by a masquerade?
Nai, I saw Atama and Machi standing in front of Chinedu's corpse with a cutlass.
Which Chinedu? My Chinedu?
It's a lie. I just left Chinedu in the hut now.
Yes. Chinedu is still alive, so they cannot be standing by his corpse.
I am sure they killed him. It's a lie. The cutlass they're holding is stained with fresh blood. I just left Chinedu now.
Where did you say they are?
Let me take it there. Papa, Papa. Him. What do we do?
Listen, no matter what happens, do not admit you killed him.
But I did.
My love, this is between us, okay? Nobody's going to know about this.
Come on, show. Chinedu! Chinedu! Chinedu!
Nai, please. It wasn't intentional.
Papa, it's true.
Chinedu, gods of our land, what have I done to deserve this? Look at my son. I have no more hair.
Brother Chinedu, wait.
Can anyone imagine such love and sacrifice that we shared? I was willing to sacrifice my own life just to save you. A sacrifice that took the life of my parents, who offered their life in exchange for mine. Think about this, my love. Please be calm. Be calm. Please be calm. For love is a fire that neither life or death can quench. Let's live for love. Please go and let your spirit rest in peace.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Long live Your Majesty.
I wish to see you.
You wish to see me?
Yes. I have a surprise for you at the palace.
Oh no. I am not in the mood for games, so state your mission.
It is a surprise my king would even like to lose his life to see. If this is a game, I stake my life as a bet, Your Majesty.
You sound so confident.
Yes.
So shall we see this your surprise that is what's a king's life and about having your head hung on a spike?
Your Majesty, come after me.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, my love. I'll be here for you. I'll be there for you.
My king is surprised.
Love of mine.
The man in my dreams.
Who are you?
Your Majesty, she, Olamma, is your soulmate, existing in a far-away kingdom, just like your late lover, Wamma.
They both existed separately, but one body and soul. Both of you are meant to be together on a special day like this.
All that has happened was the making of the gods. Your love is immortal, just like you swore an oath before the gods. That oath brought both of you together. Neither life nor the world beyond shall both of you be separated. Your love, I mean, your cries for a lost love has finally brought her back to you.
Rejoice, all you mortals! For that which you seek is right before you. Rejoice, my great people!
For this great kingdom is about to be blessed with a great king and a queen ordained by the gods.
Rejoice, my love, for we shall forever be together, in good fortune and in mishap, in life and in death, according to our oath. I am waiting for your arms, my love.
No matter what the circumstance, this I swear.
I am waiting for your arms, my love.
It's a lover, seeker. Ona susa, manifesting uzerika. Chekate, adika gairu.
The king and the queen.
Love more.
It's a love.